Hello everyone. Today we will be unboxing PowerX Motherboard. Let's unbox PowerX Motherboard. First of all, we get a SATA cable inside the box. Then, a CD driver. A user manual. And a I/O panel. Bottom of the box, we get a motherboard. Two slots for DDR3 RAM, up to 16 GB. H61 CPU support LGA 1155 socket. i3, i5, and i7 series CPU chipset support Intel H61. I/O interface, 1 HDMI, 1 VGA, 1 LAN, 6 USB 2.0, and 3 audio port. Onboard interface, 1, 24-pin ATX Power Connector, 1, 4-pin ATX Power Connector, 1 audio connector, 1 panel connector, 1 speaker connector, 2 fan connectors, 4 serial SATA connection port. So, this is the PowerX H61 motherboard.